Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you if you want to do bulk shipping using India Post. It's very easy and simple. And we use right now we are using India Post to ship all our products, most of our products. Reason because it is quite cheap, the cheapest, and it actually reaches to in anywhere in India. Also, the RTO is there is you do not have to pay anything for RTO, so that is the biggest advantage. Although it is little bit slow, and it's government, but still it is the most reliable, and we are sending most of our parcels using this. So if you want, there are two sections, right? One thing is how you create bulk order on when you're using India Post website, and another thing that I'm going to show you is how you have to create the sheet where you have to put all the address and everything, so you can bulk upload the orders, the parcels and everything. So I'll show you step by step. So the first step that you need is you have to fill in the CW number. These CW number is basically the sticker that you get from India Post. So either you can go to any post office and ask for a CW sheet. You can tell them that we do bulk post, so give me the sticker that is there. They will give you the sticker sheet and you have to put in the numbers, and you have to get it from the India Post in any kind of post office. And if you are a customer, if you don't have it, then you do not need to bother about it. You have to fill in the remaining details. So in this situation, what you need to do is the physical this is the the weight, the physical weight, and rest of it you do not have to bother. So what you have to do is you have to change this. I'm highlighting what are the things that you need to change. And so for example, we will tell you what is the weight, what is the dimension and everything. So you do not have to put it here, but if you are doing it by yourself, you have to change this, you have to change this, you have to change these, the sender address, the company name, the and you cannot use slash, dash, anything like that. It has to be like this, right? And Kolkata and sender address Kolkata. You have to change this. So these are the sender company and everything. You have to change this. You also change the phone number, so it will be your own phone number, and this is the receiver ID and everything. As you can see, this is the receiver ID and everything. So this section you have to change. If you are sending it to different people, you have to change this. You have to put their name. You can put their surname here. I just put the order number so it is easier for us to track. So you can put the order number here, or you put the the surname of the person, the first name and the address, and the second part of the address. You have to make sure that this is within I think 30 to 40 characters, and this is also within 30 to 40 characters. So typically what we do is we put the label here and also the phone number and everything on the right side. So if something is missing on the label here, so on the right hand side, the label, the phone number is given here. So this is how we do it, and it's much easier and simpler. Okay, so this is how easy it is. So now what you're going to do is you're going to change the phone number and everything. Also, you have to change the pin code. You have to put the pin code here. It is not important. It is not, I would rather say, it's optional. It's not mandatory to put their phone number here, but you have to change the stuff. Okay, and their alternate phone number, it is also optional, and remaining you don't have to change anything. Drop off pin code, if you're doing drop off, the nearest pin code, so you have to put the pin code of the post office, and the name Behala SO. If you just Google it, so if you just copy it and Google it, you'll be able to find it. You have to put unique name. This is Behala SO. This is Behala SO. You have to use this name. You cannot use any other name. So you have to make sure that you are not using any random name. So these are the stuff that you need to change, and yeah, apart from that, nothing else. You do not need to change anything. Again, coming back to the whole thing, I'll just rephrase the thing and for your understanding. If you are a customer of ours and you have to share different addresses, what you need to do is you have to keep these things as it is. You don't have to change anything. You just have to change this. You have to put the first name here, the last name here, and the address here, this address here. So make sure you're just mentioning the street number. That's it. Do not make it very long, because this is not going to get accepted. And you have to change this thing, this thing, this thing, and this thing. And receiver state, receiver pin code, you have to change this. Apart from that, and you also have to put their phone number here. Apart from that, you don't have to change anything else. Rest looks fine. You don't have to change anything else. And the receiver mobile number, that's it. So after you do this, what you need to do is you have to go to file, and if you the second part right now I'm going to show you is, if you want to upload it to India Post, right, you have to go to download the Excel file. Then what I'll do is I'll go to my India Post and home, self booking, bulk booking. Then I will select this and I will select India Post parcel retail. And after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the file here and I'm going to do submit. And after the submit has been done, it will show that okay, it has been done successfully. And because these numbers have already been used, so that is why it is showing fail. But if it is different, then what it is going to show here is it is success, and it will show the amount that you have to pay. Then you click on this and then you pay, and after that it is going to give you the label that I've shown you. You will get this label and you have to print out this label and put it on the parcel and ship it to the customer. And basically what you do is you drop off to the nearest post office. The pin code that you have given, you have to go and drop off to the nearest post office. You have to tell the person that I've already done the payment and everything. You just accept it. This is how easy it is. So this is how you can easily do bulk booking using India Post. And also how to prepare the sheet I have shown you. It's very simple and easy. And if you want to access this template, sheet, what you need to do is you need to go here. You need to go to kitablean.com/ip ship, and this sheet is going to open up. And after that, what you need to do is you go to file and make a copy and then start editing it. Because when you open this up, you cannot edit it because this is our own sheet. But if you want to make your own copy, you just go to file, then make a copy. Then after making a copy, you can change the these things. And this is, make sure this is centimeter, this is not mm, this is not inch, this is centimeter, and this is gram, 700 gram, 2500 gram. So this is how simple it is. Rest of the stuff you do not have to bother about anything else. You have to just change the fields that I've shown you here, and that's it. And if you are doing regular shipping, then you just put all the details, like your own address and everything, and rest you don't have to bother. What you need to change when you're shipping to other people, you just have to change the weight, the barcode number, the length, breadth, height, and the receiver's address and phone number. That's it. It's so simple, very simple and easy.